One of our favorite family traditions is reading a Christmas devotional for Advent leading up. And each night the kids would color a sheet or something to keep their hands busy. But these are perfect instead. Each individual box comes with one aspect of the Nativity, and it's just like a Lego kit. You build one complete animal, person, or aspect of the Nativity each night. The pieces move. They come complete step by step with pictorial directions, and they're pretty detailed. The kit says 6 and up. It would be a pretty significant challenge for maybe a 6-year-old without parental help, but my teens are loving this right now too. They are pretty much obsessed with how cute they are. Each of the animals are the first 10 days, and then it kind of leads into the wise men aspect. Here's the little wise men's gold, and it moves. You've got a movable cart. Each aspect has a different piece. Here are the 3 camels for the wise men. Just so cute. If I had to pick my absolute favorite aspect, is the movable aspect. Each of the animals or figures can move in either multiple, one piece, it doesn't matter. But I love that they've incorporated those aspects into the building unit. Quality of this is just stunning. They've been really thoughtful in the design. The coloring is realistic. It's a decent size, maybe the size of my palm. I'm really impressed with the quality, honestly. Besides that, I love that they're faith-centered. It tells the story of Christ at the heart of Christmas. Super hands-on building blocks, making a countdown interactive. All the animals are so cute. Beautiful keepsakes. They're sturdy. They're reusable. You can break them down and reuse them year after year, but they are designed to last. And as you can see, I'm manipulating them well. They're not falling apart. I love the quality and the attention to detail in these. They are a plastic. There was no odor to them or anything weird when I opened the bags, and I think these are great for kids, teens, adults. We're all having a blast with them, to be perfectly honest. I just think it takes the Nativity and adds that interactive countdown. The box is really quality. The cardboard is steady. The boxes are reusable. They're about 2.5 inches high by 1. I love that I can take them apart and save this whole kit and reuse it next year. It would be a great option for Christmas or church activities. And everything comes pre-packaged in the kit. You just open up the bags. It includes all the pieces and the instructions. Let's see if I can find them. There it is in that corner. The instructions are all together. And even though it starts with the animals, it does include Jesus, Mary, angels, wise men, shepherds, animals, more. It's the whole thing, countdown. So I'd say overall, it's really fun building play. It's faith-based learning as a lasting keepsake. I love that I can use it year after year. Thanks to the seller for sending this over. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.